Hi, I'm Heather Renee, and you're watching The Sexy Baker, where I teach you how to make delicious recipes from the comfort of your home. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're back for more, you're gonna love this week's recipe. Don't forget, if you like this video, to click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get started. We're going to start by blending our oats into an oat flour and then adding some flour, some brown sugar, some salt, baking soda, nutmeg, and cold cubed butter to our food processor or blender. Once everything has been added, we're going to blend this until a dough has started to form and then transfer this over to a mixing bowl to finish mixing by hand. We're going to continue mixing the dough with a spatula to make sure that all of the dry ingredients are fully combined into the dough and there's no air pockets. Make sure that we are scraping the sides and the bottom of the bowl and folding it into the center to make sure that we're not missing anything and everything is combined equally. We're going to continue this process until the dough is completely moist, and then we're going to add 1 egg yolk to the batter. Once we do that, we're going to continue with the mixing process the same way until everything is combined and the dough is ready to go. We're going to line our work surface with some saran wrap, and then we're going to put the dough onto the saran wrap and roll it up, and we're going to roll into a dough log. Once this step has been completed, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Now that it has been chilled, we are going to cut our dough, and this log will make about 20 cookies. So we're going to cut it equally, and then we're going to start slicing. Once we get our slice, we're going to roll it into a nice ball, gently flatten it, and put it on a cookie sheet. We're going to bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes, and once it comes out of the oven, we want to immediately transfer to a cooling rack so it can completely cool before we ice. Now for the icing, we're going to have some powdered sugar, some vanilla, the leftover egg white, and some salt. And we're going to combine this until an icing forms. Now we will be adding a little bit of water to make sure that the icing is not too thick for when we ice the cookies. And when it's the perfect consistency, we're just going to dip our cookie in there, let it drip off perfectly. We want to let the icing harden for about an hour and then enjoy.